The Power of Politeness. Mastering. Do you mind if? Hello, English language learners. Today, we are going to dive into a very important part of conversational English. This is about making requests using the polite expression, "Do you mind if?" Now, you might be wondering why politeness is so crucial. Well, let's find out. Politeness plays a vital role in communication, especially when it comes to making requests. It can significantly affect the way others perceive you and respond to your requests. By being polite, you demonstrate respect for others, and this in turn makes them more willing to help or comply with your request. The phrase, "Do you mind if?" is one great example of how you can be polite when making a request in English. The phrase, "Do you mind if?" is a way of asking someone's permission or to check if something you're about to do will disturb them. It's a respectful and considerate way of making a request, and it allows the other person to decline if they feel uncomfortable or inconvenienced. Let's look at an example. "Do you mind if I open the window?" Here, you are asking the other person's permission to open the window. It's not only a request but also a demonstration of your respect for the other person's comfort. While "do you mind if" is a very polite way to make a request, it can be used in various contexts. Whether in a formal setting like a business meeting, or an informal one like chatting with friends, this expression helps you communicate your needs while being respectful of others. For example, in a business meeting, "Do you mind if we discuss this point further?" In an informal setting, "Do you mind if I play some music?" In a nutshell, the phrase, "Do you mind if?" is a powerful tool to add to your English language skills. It's not just about asking for permission, it's also a way to demonstrate respect for others and create a positive interaction. Remember, the art of conversation lies not just in what you say, but also in how you say it. Mastering polite expressions like, "Do you mind if?" will certainly elevate your communication style. That's all for today. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey towards mastering conversational English. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next lesson.